Do you need to replace the wireless wide area network card on your Precision 7670? Well, I'm going to show you how. You can also click on the top right of the screen to find this part, or tools, or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. Now before going any further, I recommend disconnecting your battery to prevent any harmful static discharge. I also recommend sorting out your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now unscrew and remove the two brackets to disconnect the wireless wide area network antennas. Then remove the protective shield, then slide out the wireless wide area network card. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse.